Part 2, Baby. Last time I stripped the robot down, mapped the weak points, and mocked up the new chassis. Today, the full body upgrade, then a brutal before-after test to see if I actually made it better or just shinier. Quick recap of the goals: lighter frame, stronger joints, quieter actuators, smarter power. I want longer runtime, smoother motion, and less angry blender sound. Step 1. Skeleton swap. I printed the rib sections in carbon nylon, replaced the old aluminum spine with a lattice, keeps stiffness but cuts weight by 22%. Think bridge truss but for a robot torso. Step 2. Joint surgery. Pressed in cross roller bearings at the shoulders. Added harmonic drives, 100.1 ratio. That kills backlash, so no jittery low-speed arms. Dropped in torque sensors, tiny strain gauges to stop the death grip handshake. Step 3. Actuator quiet time. Swapped cheap gear motors for brushless gimbals with field-oriented control. Same torque, less heat, way less noise. Tuned the PID so it feels like a steady hand, not a caffeinated squirrel. Step 4. Power brain. Battery moved from potato taped on back to a belly pan, low and centered. 6S pack, smart BMS, fused. Thermal pads to wick heat. Split power rails, motors on one, logic on another, so a stall won't reboot the brain mid-demo. Step 5. Cable Zen. Ran silicone wire through printed channels. Added ferrites. Labeled every connector like a crime scene. It's boring. It prevents 90% of gremlins. Okay, the before. Baseline. 2-finger pick and place at 300 G. 32 minutes runtime. Shoulder overshoot 7 degrees. 68 dB at 1 meter. Now the after. Same test. Arm tracks to within 1.2 degrees. Lifts 700 grams without wobble. Runtime jumps to 54 minutes. Sound, 56 dB. Library mode versus the old lawnmower. Real-world flex. I had it thread a shoelace. Last time it tied a knot around its own thumb like a cartoon. Now it guides the lace. Pauses. Cinches without crushing the eyelet. That's the torque sensor doing its thing. I also gave it a shove test. With lower center of gravity and better control loop, it rides out a side nudge instead of face planting. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Less weight, tighter motion, longer life. Next episode, fingertip haptics. Attempting a delicate task, cracking an egg, or making an omelet on my floor. Hit subscribe if you want to see which one happens. See you in part 3.